Hey Miguel, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go over your online presence. And looking through your website, you have some good call to action buttons that helps with your conversions. These forms as well. One thing that I would recommend here is having some more content on your home page. The reason is that Google has what's called crawlers, and they are crawling the internet 24/7. And so they're looking through all of the website's content, seeing what keywords are embedded throughout. And you want at least 1,500 words on your home page to be considered an authority. And let's take a look at an example of a keyword that you'd want embedded. Houston concrete. And so when people search this here, the first thing that's popping up is the Google Map Pack section, and 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. And you want to be ranking in the top 3 because they get the majority of the traffic of that 30 to 40%. And the way that you outrank these other businesses is you have a Google business profile that has more citations. And what a citation is it's your business name, phone number, and address in other places like Yelp. And you also want to make sure that you have reviews and geotagged photos. And if we scroll down here, this is the organic listing. And the remainder of the 60 to 70% of business goes into this section here. And so this is where your website would be ranking. And it's important to be in the top 3, as close to the top as possible, because that's where a lot of that traffic goes. And 90% of people will stay on this first page. So let's take a look at this number 1 ranking website for this keyword, Bill Houston. They have some good call to actions as well. Looks like you're beating them with content already, but let's take a look at the back end. So I have the Bill Houston website plugged into Ahrefs. We're going to look at some ratings here that's taken from the Google data. So UR and DR, these are ratings just showing the trustworthiness and the authority of a website. So Bill Houston has 24 and 0.6. And what makes up these ratings here are backlinks, which are coming from referring domains. So they have 281 backlinks from 78 domains. And what a backlink is it is one website linking to another, like a shout out. And something worth mentioning here is that not all backlinks are created equal. So there are high quality backlinks that will boost these numbers, and there are spammy ones that will bring these numbers down. So you want to be intentional whenever you are backlinking. And then Bill Houston has 297 keywords on their website. And let's take a look at yours. I have your website plugged in here. Right now there's no data for the UR, and there's a 0 DR. And it's showing no data, so there is no backlinks populating right now, and there are no keywords on your website. And so what you want to do is you want to get good high quality backlinks so that you can start boosting these numbers here. You want these numbers higher than your competitors so that you can start outranking them. And also, you want to make sure that you have keywords on your website so that Google knows to connect you when people are searching for those keywords. And one way to get good high quality backlinks is called the copycat method. And so what you would do is you would go into Bill Houston's backlinks here, and then you would link those to your own website. And that way you can start ranking, because if it is working for them, it would work for you as well. And you want to make sure that you are including buyer intent keywords on your website. So let's take a look at some keywords that they have on their website. Concrete contractor Houston. 450 people are searching for this every single month. And then if you can see here, there are thousands of people searching for the services that you provide And so you want to have access to some of this traffic here. And the way to get that is to have your Google Business Profile ranking. So you want to add citations there. And you want your website to have more authority and trustworthiness so that it's ranking towards the top. And so the way to do that again would be to add those backlinks and have more content on your website so that you can put more keywords on there. And then that way your website starts going higher and higher, and so that you start getting these people on your website. The more people that are seeing your website, the more people that would be converting to your customers. And so I hope this video was helpful for you, and I really appreciate you taking the time to watch it. Thanks.